In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF on a WordPress page or post. Whether you're sharing downloadable resources, documents, or presentations with your audience, embedding a PDF directly into your WordPress post makes it easy for visitors to access your content without needing to leave your site. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your posts and streamline the user experience. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to www.wordpress.com. This is where you'll log in to access your WordPress account, which is the starting point for managing your website or blog. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, look for the Login button and click on it. This will take you directly to the login page, where you'll see several options to sign in. Now log in using your WordPress credentials. Alternatively, if you prefer quicker access, you can select the Continue with Google option and choose your Google account. If you're already logged into your Google account in your browser, this method will save you a few extra steps and get you into your dashboard even faster. Once you're logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From here, look for the Post section in the menu on the left-hand side. This is where you can manage all your existing posts or choose to create something new. Go ahead and open an existing post by clicking Edit. Or if you'd like to start fresh, click on New Draft to begin creating a brand new post. Deciding whether to edit an existing post or create a new one depends on where you want your PDF to appear. With your post open in the editor, the next step is to add the PDF file. To do this, look for the Add button located at the top left of the editor interface. Clicking this button allows you to add new elements to your post, such as text, images, or, in this case, a PDF file. Once you click Add, a search box will appear. In that search box, type the word File. This is a handy shortcut to filter through the various content blocks available and quickly locate the one you need. When you see the file block appear in the results, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the file selector interface where you can upload your PDF. Now, browse your computer's directory to find the PDF you want to embed. Select the file and it will be uploaded and embedded directly into your WordPress post. To save time, make sure your PDF is stored in an easily accessible location on your computer. This step ensures that the file is correctly added to your post and ready for your audience to view or download. Once your file is embedded, it's important to preview your post to ensure everything is working as it should. Click on the Preview option to get a real-time look at how your PDF will appear to your audience. This step is crucial for verifying that the file is displayed correctly and that all the links or download options are functioning properly. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to publish your post. Simply click Publish, and your content will go live, complete with the embedded PDF, making it accessible to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to embed a PDF in a WordPress page or post. By following these steps, you can now easily add documents to your website and make your content more interactive and informative. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.